Welcome to Goalbook. Goalbook is a secure, online, educational case management and communication tool. Goalbook brings together the key adults involved in a student's life to serve as a team supporting the student's educational success. Foster Ed is working with Goalbook to build education teams for students in the child welfare system. This video will provide you with a brief introduction to Goalbook. For more detailed information or instructions, please contact your Foster Ed liaison. The topics we will cover today are how to register your Goalbook account, how to log into Goalbook, how to locate your student's team page, how to view the list of other team members assigned to a student, how to share a message with team members, how to view a student's goals and objectives, and how to post updates or messages about goals and objectives. To start off, let's talk about how to register your Goalbook account. Your Foster Ed liaison will send you an email invitation asking you to join Goalbook. That email will include a registration link. Click on that link or copy and paste it into your browser. Please make sure that you are using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Apple Safari. If you use a different browser, some of the features of the site may not work properly. You will be directed to a registration page where you will be asked to fill out your name and title and choose a password. Then click the green Register button. You will be asked to review and agree to some terms of use, a consent form, and a code of conduct. The code of conduct describes some important rules to keep in mind when using Goalbook. Be professional, be positive, be prompt, use Goalbook to communicate about educational issues only, and do not share information received through Goalbook with others who are not authorized to receive it. After doing so, your registration is complete, and you will be taken to your Goalbook homepage. After you've registered your account, the next time you are ready to log into Goalbook, all you need to do is the following. Direct your browser to https://goalbookapp.com. If you don't remember the exact URL, you can always search the word Goalbook on Google, then click the main link that says Goalbook, Success for All Students. In the top right-hand corner, click the orange Sign In button. Enter your email address and the password you chose during the registration process. Click the green Sign In button. After a moment, you should see your Goalbook homepage. Now let's talk about how to locate your student's team page once you have logged in. On your homepage, you'll see several things including your name and profile icon in the top left corner, a list of any students whose teams you have been assigned to, and a list of your teammates. To locate a student team page, just click on the student name or icon. Here, we will click on Ulissa to navigate to her team page. On Ulissa's team page, one of the things you'll see is a list of others who have been assigned to Ulissa's team. You can hover over each user icon to see the name and title of each team member. Immediately under the list of team members, under the About header, you can see some basic information about the student, such as their school of attendance. Scrolling down the page after the About section, you will see a list of the student's education goals. We'll talk more about goals later. Underneath Goals, you will see a section for Files. If team members have shared any documents, you can find them here. Here we can see that someone has shared a copy of Ulissa's attendance report. Now let's turn to sharing messages with team members. On the right side of the student's team page, you will see the Student Message Sharing feature. Using this feature, you can share an update or message about the student with other team members. Type your message into the white message box. By default, any message you share will be visible to the student's whole team. In Ulissa's case, that means the message will be shared with 8 different team members. If you want to share the message only with a subset of team members, click on the word Change in the Share With section. To deselect team members, click on their icon. The team members you deselect will not be able to view the message you are posting. You also have the option to attach a document to your message. For example, if I am sharing a message about Ulissa getting a great report card, I could attach a copy of her report card by using the Upload File button. When you click the Upload File button, you will be prompted to select a file from your computer to attach. Finally, you can also choose whether you want to share the message on the site only or also by email. If you would like team members to receive a copy of your post by email, leave the Share Immediately by Email option checked. If you do not want team members to receive a copy of your post by email, simply uncheck the Share Immediately by Email option. When you are ready, click the green Share button to post your message. Your message will display below. You can also choose the Celebration function to share good news about a student's progress. The Celebration function works just like the Student Message function, but your post will display highlighted in yellow with balloons. The next feature we will look at together is the ability to store and update a student's educational goals. To see whether any goals have been set for your student, scroll down to the lower left of the student's team page. Look for the header that says Goals. Here we can see that Ulysses' team is working on 4 goals. To view a goal, click the description of the goal. For example, let's take a look at Ulysses' attendance goal. As we can see, the goal is to improve Ulysses' attendance rate. The stars represent different objectives or steps towards meeting this goal. The yellow stars represent objectives Ulysses has already achieved. As we can see, Ulysses has made some great progress towards her goal. Her attendance rate is currently above 90%. Here we can see a graph showing Ulysses' progress on this goal. Hover over the green line to see when she achieved each objective. Scrolling down, we can see which of Ulysses' team members have been assigned to taking a lead role on this goal. Scrolling down further, we can see the Share box. Using this feature, you can either post under the Progress tab to share progress about this goal, or you can post under the Message tab to share a message about this goal. First, let's look at the Progress tab. Let's say I recently learned that Ulysses has achieved a 98% attendance rate. I want to share this progress update with Ulysses' team. Looking back at Ulysses' objectives, we see that achieving an attendance rate above 95% was Ulysses' 4th and final attendance objective. So under the Progress tab, I'm going to check off the Objective 4 star and the Goal star, indicating that Ulysses has completed this goal. I then enter the date on which she completed this goal. I might also choose to post a message like, Ulysses has made strong progress on attendance and achieved her goal. As with the student message function on Ulysses' page, I will decide whether to share this message with everyone on the team, and I will decide whether I want to share this message by email. I think this is an important update and want everyone on the team to be aware of it, so I choose to share it with the whole team and to share it by email. I click the green Share button. If you would like to share a message about Ulysses' attendance goal without updating progress on the goal, you should use the Message tab instead. When we scroll up and click on Ulysses' name to return to her home page, we can see that these posts now appear on her page. Lastly, we will talk about how to post a comment or response on another team member's message or update. To do this, simply hover over the message you wish to comment on and click the blue comment button that appears. Type your message in the white box and click the green Share button. Your comment will appear immediately below the message. In addition to appearing on the site, your comment will also be sent out by email to the team member who posted the original message and to any other team members who commented on the post before you did. That takes us to the end of this short introduction to Goalbook. For more detailed information about how to use the site, please call or email your Foster Ed Education Liaison. Thank you for joining us and for all you're doing to support your students' educational success.